Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the motion tracking feature on CapCut PC. So select your video with the moving object to tracking the object. Alright, you can tracking the object with text, sticker or image. So I'm going to select text, all text, and just body duration is and length. And I'm just going to change text and just type dot only and change the size and then the color. Right, going to resize and make sure on the first frame and put the text on the object you want to tracking and select tracking, select motion tracking and select the object you want to track like so. For direction, select path and enable body scale and distance. Just click start and just wait for applying tracking object effect. So this is yeah, takes a long time, and according to the duration of the video you can make your video shorter. Alright, you can see the text follow the object. Alright, just wait. Alright, so this is the final effect you have on your video. You can see the text follow the object. Yeah, that's how you can use the motion tracking in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much.